The brand new Pura 80 Ultra here in Chongqing, China. This is the device, the golden version. You can see the prominent new camera bump is huge in comparison to the Pura 70 Ultra. We have a golden version here that looks very, very nice. You can see the price list here, 1000 RMB, so roughly 1200 euros. And there's a golden black gold color version as well. The main highlight is definitely the camera, and it has a very interesting feature. Suddenly you have to activate it first, but after you activate it, you can use the fingerprint scanner to zoom in and out, to switch between the various different zoom levels, as you see here, which is a very clever feature. Where others have a dedicated shutter button for this that might come into the way, this one here has just repurposed the fingerprint scanner, and you can just swipe to switch between the various different lenses, which is very cool. And then not only that, you have also the feature to take a photo. If you don't press the button, of course, you just have to tap the button to take the photo. There you can see also the nice new cases that come for the Pura. And yeah, there you can see it. If you take it in the other hand, now with the thumb, it's much easier to switch and take photos with. So very nice feature here on the Pura 80 Ultra that no one else actually did it, and this is probably one of the reasons you have this fingerprint scanner. You can see it's switching this lens from one periscope to another when going to 10x, which is quite nice. Otherwise, software-wise, it's running HarmonyOS 5.1. That will probably trickle down to other devices, other Pura devices like the Pura 70, but also the Mate 60 at one point. This one here comes with several improvements, especially in the camera department, where the camera has much more configuration options, but also some other software features. And it comes here in the store pre-installed with tons of applications. There are all the pre-installed Chinese apps that are available. On the last page you can see there's even Droid Tong available, so they're showcasing this here as well.